Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create full backup your Windows 11 system on an external hard drive and how to restore your system image without any third-party software. If you don't have a backup copy of your operating system, you are constantly at risk and you may lose all data including your important documents and user configurations. To create a backup image of your Windows 11 system, first you need an internal or external hard drive, which could be a USB flash drive. Make sure the device has enough space for full backup and that the drive does not have system partitions. Let's get started. Go to the Start icon, right-click on it, and select Settings. On the left-hand side, you will find Account. Click on it. Scroll down, and you can see the Windows Backup option. Click on it. Here you will see an option for OneDrive, which provides only 5 GB of space. You need more than that for System Backup Image. Here you can back up only documents, pictures, and music files. For full backup, here is another hidden option. First, go to the search window and type Control Panel. And go to the top right-hand side, and here selects View by Category. Then select System and Security, and here you will find File History. Below, you can also see Save Backup Copies of your files with File History. Click on it. At the bottom, click on System Image Backup. A new window will open. In the left corner, you will see Create System Image. Click on it. The system will scan all drives connected to the computer and will show 3 options. An external drive which you have connected to the system, DVDs option, and a network location. Choose the option to store full backup. Here I am selecting an external USB passport drive. After that, click Next. Now you can see the system image and its component details. Then click Next here. You can see how much space will be taken for a full backup. In my case, it is showing 159 GB for a full backup. Click to Start Backup to initiate the backup process. It will take some time depending on the size of your Windows 11 system files and data. After completion, in the next step, you will see how to restore a computer using this disk image. There are several ways to open the system recovery program and to start your computer and recover your system by using this recovery image. Connect your recovery image disk drive to the computer. Once again, go to the search and type recovery and select recovery option. Here you will see advanced startup with restart now. Click on restart now. You will see a warning message that you will restart your device, so save your work. Click to proceed, and the computer will restart. The PC recovery program opens and shows some options. Click on Troubleshoot. Then select Advanced Options. Here you need to select System Image Recovery option. Now the system will search for recovery disk image. Click to proceed. Here I have 2 system backup images. Now I am selecting the latest one. Then click Next. Windows will confirm your restore point, and click to finish. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has been helpful for you. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech videos.